This is the ship. Huge. But if you maybe one day, because you can go inside, look, you can go up. It's pretty cool. That's where the cannons back in the day.
Yeah. It's a warship, military ship.
It's a warship, battleship.
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 Ah.
You see there cannons, you see there cannons. Yeah. So battleship.
I think this is out of use now.
Yeah. It's just a museum. It's not being used anymore. Yeah. Out of use or not in use, both is fine. Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
This ship used to be a battleship.
Correct.
I used to be a student.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's very London. Very London. They also did number 3.
Number 3.
Free.
Free. Not number 3.
No.
Number 3.
Can I have free keys?
Free kids.
Yeah.
Not
Free.
3 kids.
Yeah.
What
So
else?
that's
These are frees or not frees?
But the tree stays the same. The t stays the same. It's only the th that changes. So I show you a very nice pub. One of my favorite pubs. Unfortunately, there's scaffold.
How many times you been there?
A couple of times. Beautiful.
This one?
Yeah. It's called the Horniman's Case, and
Horniman
it's
and Case.
beautiful inside. You should have a quick look. You should have a quick look. Don't know if you can film. Especially over Christmas. Lovely with all the Christmas decorations and everything. Today, for example, let me ask him. Do you take bookings for today, or you like? No.
We already fully booked. No,
Understandable.
We can't.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll maybe see you later. Thank you. All right.
It's a bar, right?
Baileys. Do you like Baileys?
No. What's that?
Alcohol. Do you drink alcohol?
No.
You didn't drink alcohol.
Is this the skin of deer? No, right?
Yeah, but I think it's not real. I think it's yeah, I don't think it's real. I would not. No.
Cheesecake.
After I need to go shop and get some stuff.
All right.
Then I need to go.
I need to
home.
go shopping to get some stuff.
Yeah, just the groceries. Stuff. I need to go home, lunch. Then I do some sewing.
Sewing?
Sewing, yeah.
I'm good at sewing.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
I'm alright. But I really like it.
You really
it's my
like
hobby, yeah. And then I don't have much time, and then I need to get ready and we go out to watch the rugby.
You say that.
So yes, so that's why it's a tight day. But for next week, you asked me, I can have a look.